Hello, guys. New chapter. Time words. Synonyms. First, yesterday, the day before. Today, this day. 3. Tomorrow, the day after. 4. Now, presently. 5. Soon, shortly. 6. Later, afterwards. 7. Always, constantly. 8. Sometimes, occasionally. 9. Often, frequently. 10. Never, not ever. 11. After, following. 12. Ago, previously. 13. Last week, the previous week. 14. Next month, the upcoming month. 15. Then next. 16. Presently, currently. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks.